Hey guys, this is Jayanti Kumaran of tastyappetite.net. We know mayonnaise recipes are super popular all over the world. Today we are going to see easy recipe of how to make egg-free veg and mayonnaise at home. It just takes hardly 3 to 4 minutes to prepare this veg and mayonnaise recipe. Preparation is very simple and it requires just few ingredients and it tastes very similar to the store-bought ones. This can be used as a dressing for salads or as a dip for almost any snacks, and also can be used as a spread for sandwiches and also burgers. So let's get started. To a dry bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of cold milk. So I'm adding in half teaspoon of salt and 1 to 2 teaspoon of sugar. Addition of salt and sugar enhances the taste of mayonnaise. Next goes in half teaspoon of freshly ground pepper powder. I like mustard flavor in my mayonnaise, so I'm adding half teaspoon of mustard powder. Now with the help of a blender, let's beat the mixture good. Blend on high speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. I'm using an electric blender. You can also use a hand blender or even a mixer jar. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Instead of vinegar, you can use lemon juice also. Now let's start adding oil. We have added 1 cup of milk, so 2 cups of oil will be required. There are only 3 main ingredients required for this recipe: oil, milk and vinegar, and the rest are all just flavorings that can be changed up to suit your taste. You can also add honey instead of sugar. With the blender running, drizzle in the oil in a slow, steady pace. If you add the oil too fast, the mixture will not thicken. Instead of cow's milk, we can also use soy milk. Take care to add very cold milk, because any slight increase in the temperature, the milk may turn curdled and we can't get the desired texture. If you are using a mixie jar, use it in a blend or pulse mode. Now the mixture starts thickening. The addition of sugar gives a nice sweet flavor to our homemade mayonnaise. I used canola oil as it's neutral in flavor. Also you can use any oil, but do remember that the flavor of the oil will impart in the flavor of the eggless mayonnaise. Slowly drizzle oil. Now you can see the mixture has thickened further. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and keep whisking. Now you can see the mixture emulsifies and turns into thick and creamy texture. Let's add the oil gradually while continuously beating the mixture for another 2 minutes. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and pulse for few more seconds. Totally, we are adding 2 cups of oil in batches for 1 cup of cold milk. The main secret of getting perfect eggless homemade mayonnaise is to add the oil very slowly in a steady stream while beating it continuously. You can see the mixture has turned very thick and creamy. It tastes just like regular mayonnaise but without any eggs. Also you can add a pinch of turmeric powder to make it slightly yellowish in color, similar to store-bought mayonnaise. That's it, our creamy eggless mayonnaise is ready to enjoy. It stays good in the refrigerator for a week. Homemade mayo is best compared to most of the commercial brands we get containing preservatives or added flavors to it. Let's store it in an airtight container. It stays good in the refrigerator for a week. Since you can make it within minutes, you can make it in small portions and store in fridge. Depending on how much mayonnaise you are planning to prepare, you can easily halve or double the ingredients. This is a super alternative for vegetarian people, for those who doesn't eat eggs. Yummy and creamy flavorful mayonnaise is ready. If you are a lover of mustard flavor, you can use a bit more also for taste. A dollop of creamy mustard can transform any bland snack into something tempting delicious. You can see this is a basic simple egg-free mayonnaise recipe, but you can add many variations to this, like you can add garlic, red chili flakes, basil, mint leaves, etc. to perk up the flavor. So friends, do try this easy version of preparing veg mayonnaise at home. This is quick, easy and fabulously tasty. And do please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks so much for watching. Until I meet you all with the next healthy recipe, take care, bye bye.